Hello friends, I am Anvesha and I welcome all of you to this channel. So in this video, I will be talking about something that is very important in the present job market scenario. So as you know, many people are unemployed right now because of the pandemic. So some of you are unemployed probably because companies have not visited your college for placements. Some of you are unemployed because you do not have the market ready qualifications, the job relevant qualifications. And then there are some of you who used to work, who probably have a 2 years or 1 year of work experience. But because of the pandemic, you have lost your job and now you're finding it really difficult to secure a job. So here I will be talking about all of you. So let me give you a brief introduction about myself. I am Anvesha and I am an MCA graduate from the Vellore Institute of Technology. I have worked in major IT companies as software developer, and after that, right now I am an educator at Unacademy. I have my own YouTube channel, and also I have been selected as a probationary officer at Bank of India. So this is about me, but today I'm going to talk about you, not about me. So I know that you are really finding it difficult to secure a job. Probably you are not getting enough opportunity to showcase your skills. Now I will be helping you to showcase your skill. Okay, so here I will be talking about a company that can help you get a good job. So Relevel is a company that is conducting a tournament. Okay, you can participate in the tournament irrespective of your qualification. You can be a graduate in any field. You do not need to be an engineer. You do not need to be an MBA. Okay, you just need to be a graduate. That's it. Or you can be in your final year or final semester of your college. But you should be a graduate by July 2021. Okay, so here in this tournament, if you participate in the tournament and if your performance is good, then companies are directly going to hire you. And Relevel has partnered with some great companies like Razorpay, Upgrad. Okay, so some great companies are there which are ready to recognize the Relevel tournament score and hire you. Make no mistake, you do not need a specific qualification. You just need to have some skills. Okay, so this tournament will have 3 kinds of roles. Okay, so the 3 roles are business development, front-end engineer and back-end developer. So business development, front-end developer, back-end developer. You do not need to be an engineer or MBA for these roles, okay, for taking this tournament. So irrespective of your qualification, you can take this tournament. If your performance is good, companies are going to hire you, as simple as that. Okay, you just need to register yourself for this tournament. The tournament will be on 26th of June and the registration will close on 22nd of June. The cost of registration is 1,999 rupees. If you apply the coupon code ABA10, you get a 10% discount on the cost. Okay, probably you are feeling that this amount is a huge amount, but believe me, this is a very small amount, a very small investment that you are going to make for securing your future, for securing your career. I'm sure you can make this investment because this investment is going to fetch you a hell lot of money. Okay, so these companies that have partnered with Relevel, these companies are ready to pay up to 15 lakhs per annum. Okay, you just need to perform in the tournament and you get a job. It is as simple as that. So the thing that your college should have done for you, that thing is being done by Relevel. Okay, so now let's talk about the tournament, and I'll just explain the process to you. The link is given in the description box. Just go to the link and register yourself. But before that, let me explain the process to you. So at first, I'm going to talk about backend development tournament. The registration closes on 22nd of June. Now, let's look at the eligibility. So you should have less than 3 years of experience, that is 0 or 1 or 2. You should be actively looking out for your first or the next job. Now you can be still in college, but if you are still in college, you should be a graduate by July 2021. Okay. So for registration, simply log into relevel.com and complete the registration process by paying 1999 rupees. If you apply the coupon code ABA10, you get a 10% discount on this cost. Now, this is the structure of the tournament. There will be prelims, there will be an advanced level, and the result will be declared on 6th of July. The prelims level will have an aptitude challenge, can you code challenge, and software architecture challenge. Now, let's look at the prelims level. You'll have general aptitude and technical aptitude. Okay. Then here you have a coding challenge. You will be given 3 coding assignments and you have to complete those assignments, and the ID will be provided to you. Okay. Then you have the software architecture challenge. So here you will be required to code and develop the backend of a web application. Now this one is the advanced level. Here you will get a programming fundamentals challenge. Candidates will be tested live with an accomplished backend engineer on their technical fundamentals. So this will be a live interview. And then you have a team player challenge. Again, this will be a live interview. In the 45 minutes interview, a senior engineering leader will test a candidate's ability to build products and work well with product teams in an organization. Okay. Now, this is how you will be shortlisted, and these are the jobs that you can get after passing this tournament. Okay, so this is the syllabus. Please take a screenshot of the syllabus. This is the syllabus of verbal ability and reading comprehension. This is a data interpretation and logical reasoning syllabus. Okay, this is the computer science fundamental syllabus, and this is the backend web development syllabus. The front-end development tournament. Now this one also, the registration closes on 22nd June. Let's look at the eligibility. The eligibility is the same, that is you should have less than 3 years of experience. You should be actively looking for your first or the next job, and you are still in college and will be graduating by July 2021. Okay. The registration process is the same, that is log into relevel.com and complete your registration by paying 1999 rupees. If you apply the coupon code ABA10, the registration cost decreases by 10%. Now this is how the challenge will go. That is, in your prelims you have aptitude challenge, coding challenge, and web app challenge. In your advanced level you will have programming fundamentals challenge and team player challenge. Result will be declared on 6th of July and company placements will begin from 7th July onwards. So this is the pattern of your prelims examination, and this will be your coding challenge. That is, you need to complete 3 coding questions that test the problem solving skills and algorithmic thinking. You will be provided with the IDE. Okay, this is the web app challenge, and this one is the advanced level challenge, that is a programming fundamentals challenge and team player challenge. Now this is how you will be shortlisted, the same like what I said earlier. Okay, this is the syllabus of quants, verbal ability and reading comprehension, data interpretation and logical reasoning. This one is the syllabus for computer science fundamentals, front-end web development. Okay. This is the business development tournament. Now let's look at the eligibility. The eligibility is the same. You have under 3 years of experience, that is 0 or 1 or 2. You are actively looking for a job, and you are still in college. If you are not in college, then also it is fine. You are still in college or will graduate by July 2021. Okay. So how to register? Just log into relevel.com and complete the registration by paying the fees. So this is how the challenge will go, prelims and then at the advanced level. So in the prelims you have aptitude challenge, problem solving and pitch perfect challenge. In the advanced level you have beat the master challenge and customer empathy challenge. So in the prelims you have general aptitude and sales aptitude. In the problem solving challenge, you have video responses and email responses. That is, you are expected to record your video response to 5 situational sales scenarios along with submitting email responses to 2 scenarios. So the tournament will simply test how you respond, okay? And then the pitch perfect challenge, whether you are able to sell or not. So candidates need to prepare a sales pitch for a given product and client. You will be given 5 minutes to present, and candidates will be given 5 minutes to present, and the responses will be in video. Okay, the responses will be recorded. Then this is the advanced level challenge, and this one is a beat the master challenge. That is, the candidates are tested live on their ability to pitch, negotiate and sell to a master consumer and experienced sales executive. So here you will be tested by an experienced sales executive. Okay, then you have the customer empathy challenge. That is, a senior sales leader will test a candidate's ability to understand and cater to customer needs. Now this is how the shortlisting will happen. Okay, so there are close to 300 plus jobs which Relevel can give you depending on your performance. Okay, so this is the syllabus. Please have a look at the syllabus. You may take a screenshot. This is the sales syllabus and this is the general knowledge syllabus. So yes, that was the process. I hope many of you are going to register, and I hope many of you are going to get a job very soon. If even some of you get a job, I will feel blessed that I could help you. I could give you the information that you needed, the platform that you needed. So let me know in the comment box what you feel about this, and after the tournament I would like to hear from you what was your experience. So till then, bye.